Start cooking. Just wash sweet potato, skin out and carefully grate it. You see, very fine we grate sweet potato. Now we'll season with salt, black pepper, onion powder and garlic powder. Garlic powder gives the flavor. This is a little spicy chili flakes and little soy sauce. And this is whole egg. You will see the complete recipe in the description also. And to bind flour. Mix it nicely. All the ingredients should mix nicely. So when you cook it, you get a proper delicious taste. Heat the pan, grease with olive oil, spread it all over. So easily you can take the patty. So it's hot now. Use the spoon or the ice cream scoop and make equal portion. It looks nice when you take for the breakfast. Anytime, whenever you want, it should look good. Oh my God, what a beautiful color. We have to make it golden brown. So check each and every patty. It should be same color, golden brown. So the moment you get one side golden brown, change the side and now put it in another plate to cook it inside in air fryer. Cook it for 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, just check. Oh, it's so golden brown. What a beautiful dish. This is super dish, so hot. And enjoy with the family. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like. If you like, please and subscribe my channel, Chef Mangal Kitchen. See you next Saturday, same time with another delicious dish. Thank you.